Welcome back to day 10 of the unboxing.
All right, so we got Mirage. This took 5 days to get here. The samples were free, so I am not expecting a bag when it comes to this. I know I ordered wood. I think it was red oak. I really don't remember. I don't think I got a follow-up email, not sure, but you know, I do like Mirage a lot. Easy to open box. All right. So here's Mirage, kind of wrapped like a present. Nothing fancy, basic, fine. All right, here we go. Mirage. So here is the sample of Mirage. Again, like a lot of them, I think it's just a standard sample. Oh, what's nice about this is it has a QR code. Not sure where this QR code goes, but we're going to find out. All right, QR code. Ooh, it's a small QR code. Unclear if the QR code works, but good QR code nonetheless. Could be just my phone that is broken. So it has their website, right? www.miragefloors.com. It talks about the Mirage. Not a full pamphlet here, but it says, your Mirage order is enclosed. Thank you for your order on miragefloors.com. Sincerely, our team, which is a nice little, touch. Oh, and they also have it in Spanish. Very smart. That's a very, very good idea, having it in Spanish and English. Overall, pretty your standard wood sample. Nothing else to say here.
Be sure to come back tomorrow as we have many, many more boxes to open. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.